Hi class, a pleasant day to all of you. This is your Prof. Serdan, and in this video, we are going to discuss the concepts of cost accounting. So let us start. So first, let us have a definition of costing. The Institute of Cost and Management Accountants, ICMA, defines costing as technique and process in ascertaining cost. When we speak of ascertaining cost, we mean assigning and or allocating of cost of responsibility centers. Okay, we will assign or allocate cost of responsibility centers, or we will assign a cost of department, office, or branch. Okay, that is one of the meaning of ascertaining cost. And another meaning of ascertaining cost is analyzing. Analyzing what? The elements of manufacturing cost. And when we speak of elements of manufacturing cost, we mean direct materials, the cost of direct labor, and the cost of factory overhead. This is for manufacturing business. However, for merchandising, we can perform analyzing of cost or purchases of inventory. Okay? And ascertaining of cost would also mean determining the cost of a product, in particular the unit cost of the product. Okay? And for period cost, we can also refer ascertaining of costs regarding period cost. Okay? And for service business, we can also ascertain cost of service rendered to customer. How much is the cost in rendering a particular service? So class, take note that ascertaining of cost would mean assigning, allocating cost of responsibility centers, cost of department, office, and branch, and analyzing the elements of manufacturing cost and analyzing the cost of purchases in reference to merchandising business and determining cost of a product, in particular the unit cost of the product and the period cost in relation to the operations of the business and the cost of service rendered. Okay, class? Let us move on. Oh, by the way, in our in this subject, we will basically dealing with analyzing and determining. Okay, this areas we will be discussing these things in the next modules. So let us take a look of the objectives of costing. As we have learned, the first one is ascertaining cost. Okay, this is the first objective of costing. And the next one is cost control. Class, take note that if we have ascertained the cost, it is not enough because it is the cost that determines the selling price. Okay, in your final period, the next topic is pricing, and that is determining the selling price. And basically, in determining the selling price, what is important is the cost information. Okay? So, your selling price will in turn determine the profitability of the business. Okay? So, class, the basic rule, okay, is that the lower the cost, the greater the profit. Why? Because you can lower your selling price, and if you will lower the selling price, you will be able to sell more number of units. Okay? The quantity will be much higher. Okay, class. And the next objective of costing is it provides guideline for management in making a decision in business. Okay, so costing aids managerial decision making from all practical points of view. Okay, class? So if you have a question again, please let me know. Bye for now and have a great day.